Hey YouTube, I'm gonna make a quick video of how to change the tailgate lift support. These are bad. I'm surprised it's actually holding up right now. But I went ahead and picked some up on Walmart.com. These were two for 20 bucks. They were cheaper on eBay, but I got them at Walmart. It was faster shipping. That's the reason why. But at AutoZone and everywhere else, they were $25 each. It's expensive. So anyway, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these off. We're gonna start by taking off that little star screw. I don't know what the heck they're called. I'm gonna call it a star. So we're gonna take those off and we're gonna slap those on there. What you want to do first is secure the trunk. I have this stick to secure it, and what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and just break it loose. That one came off easy. I'll take this other one off. This one's nice and tight. Alright, so we're gonna have to break that one loose. This is how we're gonna break it loose. With the big mamba jumbo. Oh yeah. Then we'll let the drill do the work. Let's break these loose too. Cool. Now, we'll take them off. Just like so. So here are the old ones. Here are the new ones. And we'll just go ahead and install them exactly how we took them off. So this goes like so, right up here. And then this one is going to turn into here, like so. Okay, and I'll go ahead and drive those in. Thing I noticed, what you have to do is you have to take off the old original washer from this end, like so, and slap it on the new one. And we're going to do the same thing with the back end. So you want to make sure you take off these washers and put them on the new one. The way I do it first is I put on the rear ones first, lock them in tight, like so. Then we just put on the upper ones. You gotta pull the trunk open a little bit more to make sure that it's nice and straight. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this down for a little bit. Alright, once you got it in there, drive it in. So the same thing with this one here. Actually, need both hands. Let's see if I can do it with my elbow. Gotta get it in there first. That's what she said. There went our support. Don't matter, because now the lift is doing the weight or the work, doing all the heavy load. So there it is. So that's how you swap out. Oh god damn. Can't even push that bitch down. The lift supports on the 2004 Dodge Grand Caravan. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.